Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Uno game. So let's get started. First, open your Play Store. Then in the search bar, type in Uno game and perform your search. Tap on the Uno application. Then tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. It will take a while to download this app. Once the game is installed, tap on the play button to launch or start the game. And this is how you can download Uno game. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.